Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we have something truly magical to share with you just in time for the holiday season. Introducing the Elf Kit 24 Days of Christmas Elf Magic Kit for 2024. This delightful kit is the ultimate way to bring the spirit of Christmas and the mischievous fun of Santa's little helpers into your home. With 24 days of elf-themed activities, props, and countdown excitement, this kit is guaranteed to make your holiday season unforgettable. Let's dive into what makes this elf kit so special. First off, you get a variety of props and accessories to set up fun and whimsical scenes throughout your home. From tiny elf-sized furniture to adorable trinkets, these accessories will spark joy and imagination in both children and adults alike. But that's not all. You also receive an artfully illustrated storybook that adds depth and narrative to your elf adventures. It's the perfect way to engage young minds and create lasting memories with your family. And check this out, with the Elf Upgrade Complete DIY Kit, you can pose, hang, and bend your Christmas elf to create dynamic and lifelike scenes. It's super easy to use and adds an extra layer of excitement to your elf antics. Now, let's talk about value. Priced at just $4.99, this elf kit offers incredible bang for your buck. Compared to similar products on the market, you're getting a treasure trove of festive fun at an unbeatable price. So, if you're looking to make this holiday season extra special, look no further than the Elf Kit 24 Days of Christmas Elf Magic Kit for 2024. With its charming props, engaging activities, and unbeatable value, it's truly the best Christmas elf kit available on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the hottest products. And from our family to yours, we wish you a merry and magical holiday season. Until next time, happy shopping!